Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Chris O'Gene reporting once again from Fitzgerald Toyota in Gaithersburg, Maryland. And I really should say Fitzgerald Auto Mall because it's a whole mall with all kinds of cars that are available right now. I got some calls last week for affordable vehicles. People want very affordable budget vehicles, and I have a whole slew of them. All right. I have everything from 2012 Prius C in excellent condition in blue. I have used Corollas right over here. I have another Prius right over there. And then I have the Corolla hatchback as well. All right. I have Corollas. I have Prius. Look at this beautiful Prius C. I have more Corollas over here. I have Camrys over on this side. Please come and see me. If you want an affordable Toyota, you want to come and see me. A lot of people are asking for affordable cars, but they want Toyota. They want the Toyota quality. If you want the Toyota quality and you want a budget used car, come and see Chris O'Gene as soon as possible. Call me at 202-607-9517. I even have pickup trucks, used pickup trucks. I have the 4Runner right over there, another 4Runner right over here. You cannot go wrong. I'm asking you to help me help you. All right. My name is Chris O'Gene, reporting from Fitzgerald Auto Mall in Gaithersburg, Maryland. And I have a ton of budget cars, affordable vehicles with the Toyota manufacturer. All right. I have Toyota certified ones available. I have low mileage ones available. I have some high mileage ones available that are very, very cheap and affordable. And I'm going to walk the lot a little bit here just so you can see some of the other things that are available. I have some Subarus over here. I have Acuras back there. I have Kia, Lexus, more Subarus over here. All right. And then I have a Tesla. I have some Hondas over here. I have the Honda Fit. I have Nissan. I have Honda Accord. Ladies and gentlemen, you just simply cannot go wrong, okay? You want to come to Fitzgerald Auto Mall at 907 North Frederick Avenue in Gaithersburg, Maryland. Zip code is 20879. And my name is Chris O'Gene. My cell phone is 202-607-9517. Used cars as far as the eye can see. Thank you and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.